Find the volume and surface area of a sphere and cone. These formula, when you get to GCSE level, will be at the front of your exam, so you don't need to memorise these. They'll be given to you at all times, but you need to know how to use them and what the letters represent in the formula. So for a sphere, the formula is 4/3 pi r cubed. R represents the radius of the sphere, from the centre of the sphere out to the surface. The surface area then is 4 pi r squared. For the volume of a cone, it's 1/3 pi r squared h. You'll notice pi r squared h from before maybe. That's the volume of a cylinder. A cone is 1/3 of that. And r is the radius, the base radius, so from the centre of the circle on the base out to the circumference. And then h stands for the height. That's the perpendicular height from the base right up to the top of the cylinder, so vertical at right angles to the radius. I make that, emphasizing that, because the curved surface area is called pi r L. R is the radius, but L is a different measurement to the height. Okay, L would be what's called the slant height. How long is the slant? Which is different to how tall the cone is. The slant height will actually be longer than the vertical height. So when you read the question, you can just put in any number that they give you. You've got to make sure you get these the right way round. Let's see if we can apply those formula to the following questions. If you're happy enough, you can pause the video when I just cycle through these. There's example 8, example 9, and example 10. Okay, let's have a go at example 8. First of all, identify the shape. The shape is a sphere, a ball. So I'll be looking at these formula here up on the top left. The sphere has a radius of 8 centimeters. We've got to find its volume and find its surface area. So part A, the volume, formula for that is 4/3 pi r cubed. Now r represents the radius, which is 8, so that would be pi times 8 cubed. And we put that in the calculator just exactly as you see it there. Use your fraction button to get the 4/3. Put the pi beside that, multiply it by 8 cubed. And you get, to one decimal place, 2,144.7. It's the volume, so that's centimeters cubed. For surface area, it only is one surface of a sphere. It's all curved, and the formula for that is 4 pi r squared. 4 times pi times the radius squared. The radius is 8, so 4 pi times 8 squared. Again, just put that into your calculator. That'll give you an answer in terms of pi. You hit the SD button and it'll tell you it's 804.2 to one decimal place. That is an area, so that'll be centimeters squared. Okay, number 9. We have a cone has a base radius 5 centimeters and perpendicular height 9 centimeters. Work out the volume of the cone. We write down the formula first of all. That is 1/3 pi r squared h. That's 1/3 times pi, or 1/3 pi, times the radius squared. The radius is the base radius of the circle, which is 5. So 5 squared. And the height is the perpendicular height going vertically upwards from the center there. That is 9 centimeters. Put that into a calculator. And we'll just keep it the same as the rest of them, to 1 dp. That is 235.6 centimeters cubed because it's a volume. Question 10. Calculate the total surface area of the cone to 1 decimal place. Now, if I just scroll back up here, we've got the curved surface area of a cone. So when they give you this formula, it's only for the curve at the top part. There's two surfaces of a cone. The curved part up here, and then the base, which is a circle. So when we're finding the total surface area of the cone, if I write TSA for total surface area, we've got the formula that they give us, which is pi RL for the curved surface area, and then the area of the circle at the bottom, but the circle has an area of pi r squared. So if we substitute in the values, that's pi times the radius is 6, so pi times 6 squared, plus pi times the radius again is still 6, times L. L is not the perpendicular height, it's the slant height, which in this question is 8. So we put in 8. And we get 263.9 centimeters squared to 1 decimal place.